Hello, I'm Dr. Gabrielle Hinton. I'm a patient of Coach Wells and have been for about a year. When I initially was seeking his services, I wanted to work on my self-confidence. I was letting anxiety get in the way of a lot of decision making, and I especially noticed it when I started in my externship sites. I would be around a lot of attending doctors, and they would ask questions, and I knew the answer, but I would be too afraid to commit to what I thought I knew, and I couldn't really trust my gut the way that I wanted to. And knowing that I was going to be a practicing doctor, I wanted to be able to give my patients the best care I can. And that goes hand in hand with trusting myself and not allowing those thoughts that are always going to come up. I didn't know how to handle them. And since working with him, he's taught me so many techniques that I can use when I feel those thoughts coming up, when I second guess myself, things I can do to battle those thoughts that we all have. I've noticed a huge change in my self-confidence. Even one of my best friends, she was recently visiting me and she's like, wow, I noticed a huge change in you, your self-confidence, your ability to just be yourself and trust yourself. And that was huge for me because this has been an ongoing issue since I was a child. Not that everything's perfect. I'm always a work in progress, but I've noticed a huge change in this past year, especially. So this is my video testimonial, just telling anyone who's on the fence about using Coach Wells' services. He is very, very well versed in what he does. He does so much research and he always has some kind of chart or picture or just great advice to give you when you're going through difficult times, or if you just, you want to be a better version of yourself, which I feel like in my case, I had gone to therapy a lot of my life, but I wanted actual things I could do to just be a better me. And I feel like we've definitely accomplished that in a year, and I'm continuing to work on it. So